Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This saves time. First, charge the XM5 above 50% and power them on. Next, hold the power button for about 7 seconds until LED indicates pairing. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings, then Bluetooth and other devices, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, remove or disconnect other headsets to avoid conflicts. This prevents the XM5 from connecting to another active device. Now you're ready to detect the headphones on the laptop. You'll now pair and configure audio. Choose Add Bluetooth or Other Device, select Bluetooth, and tap WH1000 XM5 when it appears. Wait for the paired confirmation, then open Sound Settings to set the XM5 as both default playback and communications device so apps use them. If you see two profiles, hands-free and stereo, select Stereo A2DP for best music quality, because hands-free prioritizes microphone connectivity over fidelity. Make sure the volume slider is up and test audio with a short media file. Finally, verify everything works. Join a test call or play media to check playback and microphone levels. Adjust input in the app if necessary. If you get no sound, disconnect the XM5 and repair. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth or restarting the laptop clears driver glitches. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the headphones by holding power and NC buttons for 7 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. One quick troubleshooting tip. Update your laptop Bluetooth driver if issues persist. Outdated drivers often cause dropouts or profile mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.